Hello guys, welcome to my channel World Technical and welcome to my another awesome video. And guys, first of all, make sure to subscribe my channel because we upload very good and technical like what's happening around the world videos. So make sure to subscribe. And I just came up with another awesome video with the video. So this video I will show you how to solve screen overlay error. Okay, this is an error sometimes happens when you download some apps and you have to enable the permissions, but they can't because screen overlay detected comes. This also mine comes, and I found a way to get rid of this thing, and you can also get rid of the screen overlay detective what I'm saying detected comes again. So it's a problem that not all the apps of your Android or iOS cannot support your app. So screen overlay detective come. Okay, detected comes. So when it comes, you just go okay. You just click on okay, and then your applications appear. Go in each all of them, or not go in each all of them. Turn every option to yes. They have said no. Some apps might show you no. So go in them, click on the apps which said no, and click on yes. This that app now supports your that app. If it still doesn't work, your app, it's still the error comes. You go on the same page, and then go on the top button. There's somewhere over here. Click on them, then show system. Then if they are also no, then do it yes. And if you are still not work, it means the your apps can support the app, but the supporting is locked. Okay, so what you want to do, unlock this. So I will show you how to unlock this. This app will solve your total problem. And guys, first of all, make sure your every apps on that page should be yes. Okay, make sure you have done. And if it doesn't work, let's start the video. Woo! So guys, what you want to do, there's an app called Install Button Unlocker. You can download it from the Play Store. So this app is called Install Button Unlocker. Like I said, that yeah, there is it. It's only like 2 MB. Let me show you. It's 4.3 ratings and 1 million plus downloaders. So like I said, it will unlock the supporting error. Like the other app cannot support that application that is having that error. So now if you first install this app, there's only 2.22 MB. Yeah, it will. So download this app. There's a link in the description underneath this video as well if you want to download this app as well. So this is a really helpful hack. Open this app. What you want to do, enable the this button. See on the top over here? Yeah. Enable it. It will directly take you to your settings. Go. Let me see from the camera. I cannot see. Okay, what you want to do now? You will see on the services. There are your services. Okay. So Install Button Unlocker is actually a server that is providing you to get rid of the error. So you click on this install button unlocker. Maybe this might show you in a different way because your Android or iOS is different, but it is the same. So it is off. You will turn it on. Then you say okay, and then you will permission granted. Okay, this permission. Okay, this permission is granted now. Now you, yeah, turn it. Now you can. Oh, I just dropped the camera. Okay, now you can. Now the overlay screen overlay error will not come. If it still comes, it will not come. Definitely not come. Tell in the comment section below. It hasn't still come, so I will try my hard to find another app or trying to find a way to get rid of that as well. But I don't think so will come. So guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, Technical. So goodbye, love Hafiz.